Another structural system that I'd like to mention and that we talked about a little bit down in the powder room was the wash and wear house, the drainable, dryable wall. And here is a model that shows how that could be done, and this is particularly beneficial in levee protected flood zones, or as I like to say, levee vulnerable, because the base flood elevation above which our ordinances and codes require us to build is really based on the 1% chance of floodwaters exceeding that. And so it doesn't mean it won't ever happen, it just means the odds are not real high. However, when in a levee protected zone like New Orleans, if there's a breach, like in Hurricane Katrina, the water doesn't get just a little bit above that base flood elevation, it could be several feet above. So we offer this idea as an option for wood frame building, very similar to what the trades are accustomed to, but a wash and wear type of building system where if the levees break again or get or the water overtops, it would be a home where you wouldn't have to gut and replace everything. What this consists of is solid wood framing, plywood sheathing, rigid closed cell foam to the outside, no insulation in the wall cavity, then a furring strip, fiber cement, which is flood hardy as well, there, and then the house wrap for an air barrier. The inside is paperless drywall with a gap between the panels so that moisture will not wick from one to the other. And after a flood event, the molding and the base molding and the chair rail and the top molding could be pulled away. The walls could be flushed out, allowed to ventilate and dry. You put the molding back, clean and repaint, and you're done. The only thing that may need to be replaced would be wiring that was inundated with salt water, and the wiring can be strategically placed or restored to minimize the need to do that. So again, this would be a Katrina survivable, restorable type of building system using conventional materials.